Shafiq, you already have CPAS. You work well for me, for you to get sales. Last week you set your Shopee store on vacation. Wow, that's good. And then you say today you want to resume the ads. Number of products in the catalog becomes 0. No product to show. I believe that's you have to check from Shopee. Yeah, because the CPAS issue, maybe a few reasons. You just go into the catalog and see whether your product set is correct and everything. If it's gone or if something wrong that you probably want to check with Shopee. Yeah, so that's their side. But if Shopee said nothing on their side and you still can't seem to find yours, then well, you can actually see whether you want to set up a one-to-one with me, so that I can actually give you some direct advice in terms of going into your ads manager. We can go one-to-one, go into your ads manager and see what went wrong and all that. But I won't be able to tell what's going on at the moment. Must be some error. But put it this way, the past 2 weeks, Facebook has been full bug. You know, Facebook ads manager especially. I even have a lot of my students' Facebook page got disabled, profile got disabled, you know, and all this kind of funny shit going around. Happens, right? So yeah,